destination for outdoor inspiration and landscape mastery. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Roof terrace decor refers to the intentional design and styling of an open-air space located on the topmost level of a building or residential home. Unlike a standard balcony, a roof terrace typically offers a larger footprint, providing a unique opportunity to create a seamless transition between indoor comfort and the great outdoors. Decorating this space involves more than just placing a few chairs. It is about creating a functional, aesthetic environment that utilizes vertical space, sky views, and architectural elements to establish a private sanctuary in an urban or suburban setting. Having a beautifully decorated roof terrace offers a multitude of lifestyle and health benefits. Primarily, it serves as a personal escape from the hustle and bustle of daily life, offering a quiet spot for relaxation and mental clarity. In urban environments where green space is limited, a roof terrace provides a much-needed connection to nature, allowing you to cultivate a garden and enjoy fresh air. Beyond personal well-being, a well-designed terrace significantly increases the functional square footage of your home, creating a secondary living room that is perfect for entertaining guests under the stars. Furthermore, a high-quality terrace design can substantially increase the market value of your property, making it a wise investment for any homeowner. To make your roof terrace look exceptional, you must focus on balance, scale, and the surrounding view. Start by defining specific zones, such as a dining area, a lounge spot, or a gardening corner, using outdoor rugs or varying floor textures like wood decking and stone tiles. Lighting is crucial for evening ambience. Layering string lights, lanterns, and recessed floor lighting can create a magical atmosphere. To maintain privacy without blocking the breeze, integrate vertical elements like tall planters, trellises with climbing vines, or stylish glass railings. Always choose a cohesive color palette that complements the building's architecture while adding pops of color through weather-resistant cushions and vibrant flora to make the space feel inviting and high-end. Selecting the right items is essential for a durable and stylish rooftop. The best pieces are those that can withstand constant exposure to sun and wind. Opt for high-quality all-weather wicker, teak, or powder-coated aluminum furniture that won't rust or fade. Incorporating a focal point such as a modern fire pit or a sleek pergola adds structure and purpose to the space. Greenery is a must. Use a variety of oversized pots and raised garden beds to create an urban jungle feel. Additionally, functional accessories like outdoor-rated speakers, smart lighting systems, and durable umbrellas ensure that your terrace is not only beautiful but also a high-tech, comfortable hub for modern living. And to complete your inspiration and spark your creativity, here these the compilation of the top 10 best roof terrace decor ideas to inspire you for your next project. One, the Urban Sunset Lounge. This design features low-profile plush seating paired with geometric black side tables that provide a sophisticated touch. The use of dense perimeter greenery in classic terracotta pots creates a natural barrier, while the open view of the city skyline serves as the ultimate backdrop for evening relaxation. 2. Modern minimalist pergola. This idea focuses on structured luxury with a sleek black pergola equipped with integrated slat lighting. The dark, expansive sectional sofa provides ample seating for large gatherings, while the use of warm wood decking and a central tree planter softens the industrial lines of the architecture. 3. The Sky-High Dining Retreat. A perfect example of urban elegance. This setup utilizes a minimalist glass dining table and slender white wire chairs to keep the space feeling light and airy. Framed by a classic wooden fence and white cubic planters, the area feels like a private garden floating above the historic city architecture. 4. Tiered timber decking oasis. By using multi-level wooden platforms, This design creates distinct rooms within one outdoor space. Built-in concrete benches with wooden tops offer permanent seating, while a mix of lush perennial plants and pebbled borders adds a serene, zen-like quality to the rooftop environment. 5. Mediterranean Fire Pit Circle. This cozy setup centers around a low-slung metal fire bowl, surrounded by custom-built concrete wraparound seating. Blue and white patterned textiles give the space a Mediterranean coastal vibe, making it an ideal spot for cool evenings spent with friends and family. 6. Metropolitan Social Deck. Designed for the ultimate host, this terrace features professional-grade patio heaters and a wall-mounted television set against a stacked stone feature wall. The dark wood floors contrast beautifully with white modern armchairs, creating a high-end club atmosphere in the comfort of your own home. 7. Contemporary Garden Path. This design uses large concrete pavers separated by dark gravel to create a striking geometric walkway. Featuring comfortable gray sun loungers and a central architectural tree, this layout emphasizes a clean, modern aesthetic that feels both spacious and organized. 8. The Evening Glow Patio. Lighting takes center stage here with LED strips tucked under the decking steps and warm candles on the dining table. The combination of built-in seating, soft textiles, and a minimal metal pergola structure makes this rooftop the perfect place for intimate late-night conversations. 9. Synthetic Turf Rooftop Lawn. Integrating a patch of high-quality artificial grass brings the feeling of a backyard to the sky. This design features dark wicker lounge furniture and vibrant flower beds along the glass railing, offering a lush, green environment that overlooks the sprawling city below. 10. Stringlit Dining Canopy. This whimsical and romantic design uses a simple black frame to hang a canopy of Edison-style string lights over a large dining table. The use of potted citrus trees and soft, neutral-toned upholstery creates a fresh, inviting space that is perfect for al fresco breakfast or elegant dinner parties. Designing a roof terrace is an incredible journey in reclaiming unused space and turning it into something truly extraordinary. Whether you have a small balcony or a sprawling rooftop, the key is to blend functionality with your personal style. By choosing the right materials, focusing on comfortable layouts, and incorporating nature, you can create a sanctuary that provides peace and joy for years to come. Thank you for joining us as we explored these sky-high possibilities. If you enjoyed these roof terrace ideas, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Home's Decor Designs for more home inspiration. Which of these 10 designs was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on how to make your living spaces more beautiful. See you in the next video.